We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time. After reading this, our staff was really excited about the great job we've done. It makes us happy when our customers are happy. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in providing the best customer service there is. So if you want to work with somebody who will focus on you and listen to your needs, let our first-rate, top-notch service do the job right for you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.